For materials, you'll need 2 picture frames. I got mine cheap from the dollar store. Fabric netting, like the fabric from the tutu. Scraps of paper, scissors, and either hot glue or push pins, depending on the type of frame that you have. Disassemble 2 picture frames so that you're left with just the frames. Glue netting on the edges. Frames are wooden, you can also use push pins instead of glue. Make sure to be careful as this is hot glue. Pull the netting when you glue it on so that it's taut. Cut up 1-inch squares of scrap paper. You can use colored paper, but it won't actually color the final product. It'll just create colored speckles in the paper. Dunk the scraps of paper in water and wait for about 12 to 24 hours. Take a blender and blend the paper until it turns into a pulp. Mix 1 cup of pulp in 1 gallon of water in a bowl. Place the 2 frames so that the net is in the middle and plan out a thin layer of pulp. Turn over the frame so that the pulp is facing down and place it carefully on a cloth. Dab out the water with a sponge or a towel. I like to add multiple layers of pulp if the paper is too thin. And carefully lift the frame. Wait overnight, then gently peel off the paper. Now you have your own homemade paper.